We're very, very happy that you've been able to come and make yourself available for the gifts of this week. This will be a week that helps you to gain an appreciation for the spiritual exercises of St. Ignatius Loyola, the founder of the Jesuits.
What is ever to excel?
But one of the Bible verses I live by is 1 Corinthians 16:14. Do everything in love. And ever to excel is literally that verse.
Boston College cares about you as a person.
It's not quite a retreat. It's not quite a camp. Not quite a mentorship program. It's a thin place, where the distance between heaven and earth becomes incredibly thin.